Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to go after this E4-112's crossbars with that. Right after this. All right, so we're back in the workshop today, and some of the things that I hear from customers quite often is that they want to use steel or an aluminum crossbar because of strength. And I'm going to demonstrate here why that's really not needed. So I have a piece of E4-112, and I'm going to show you just how easy the crossbars come off just using our standard igus screwdriver. Pops right off. And then reinstalled. But I'm going to show you how difficult it is to actually pry one of these things off of the E-chain. So I'm going to start with the screwdriver. Place this forward here for a little bit of leverage. I'm getting hardly any crossbar deflection, and this thing's about ready to bend. So let's step up the volume a little bit. Let's try a hammer. So using just a standard 20-ounce claw hammer isn't going to work. Let's go after it with the pry bar. All right, that one is going to cut it. Let's try biggest pry bar I got. So as you can see, even using a large breaker bar, I can't get the crossbars to let loose. So the polymer crossbars are more than enough for most applications. As long as the energy changes size properly, you shouldn't have any issues. But if you do have any questions, please reach out to me at www.igus.com/oil and gas. See you next time.